Good day everybody. Welcome back to my home. And today I have for you this Buah Salak, S-A-L-A-K. And this fruit actually originated in Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. And it looks like a pangolin, the skin of it, and it is hard. Yes, it's hard as a pangolin, and it is meant to be eaten raw. Some of them even pickle it, and it made its way into Malaysia by means of importing. And come to say, this is not so cheap. Oh, by the way, you are accompanied by my cat here, Anish, and she's always lying around. So let's open it up. Actually, I've forgotten how to open it. It's been a long time since I had the last one. So if I'm not mistaken, you have to peel. Yeah, there's no way of pressing or pushing in, so you have to peel with your nail. There it is, the first crack. It's like opening a hard-boiled egg. Okay, so we are slowly exposing the inner part of it, and you can see that it has those grooves. Yeah, so when you found that groove, what you do is you dig in your nail into one of those grooves and started to separate the inside so that it can automatically opens up like so. And you can see another groove there. Just break it off. See, so it still has that outer shell, and you just peel it off. Okay, by the way, yes, this fruit is very dry, and when you peel it, just make sure that the hard skin doesn't goes in between your nail and your flesh, because it's gonna hurt. Yeah, and a little bit more there. Okay, there you are, the flesh of it. Okay, so the smell has that little bit smell of jackfruit and pear. Yeah, smells like a little bit like pear. In case you have encountered the jackfruit before, it also smells like so. So if you want to know the texture of it, listen. Okay, it's crunchy, and yeah, crunchy, like an just ripened pear. Yes, so there you are. So the taste, it's nice. It tastes like, the texture is like a pear. The taste surprisingly has that pearish taste, and a little bit of just ripened mango too. It's nice, soury, more sour than the sweetness, but it's nice. It's crunchy and it's dry. Okay, that is why this fruit is rare, and that is why it is quite costly. Yeah, so this is the pit. Okay, I believe if you plant this, it will sprout and it will grow a new tree, and you can have salak fruit every year. All year long, right? So enjoy, you guys, the salak fruit. If you can see this, if you can find this, go get some, because it's nice. Okay guys, I'll see you again next time with other rare things and foods while I enjoy this. Bon appetit. Cheerio.